Morning, Fiorella, Sonia, and Jose from anyhousecleaning.com. Today they hire us to clean the screens, wash the screens, and wash all the windows of this house in and out. Sonia is inside, vacuum the rails. Right now you can see her removing all the dirt and clean the rail from the window sills. She has a vacuum. She has a vacuum and she will vacuum, remove all the cobwebs, all the dirt that is inside, and she's gonna clean it by hand all the windows inside of this property. In the meantime, Jose is washing the screen with our screen washer. And this is Fiorella, Sonia, and Jose from anyhousecleaning.com. I have to run to do another estimate.